वेलकम टू स्टडी ट्रैक। इस ट्रिक में आज हम सीखेंगे सिंपल टिप्स टू राइट एक्सक्लूसिव रिपोर्ट फॉर क्लास 12th इंग्लिश बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन। आप उठे, आपने न्यूज़पेपर उठाया और आप अपने फेवरेट सेक्शन स्पोर्ट्स में गए और आपने एक हेडलाइन पढ़ी, क्रिकेट ब्रेक्स साइलेंस। नाउ व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस रिपोर्ट? यस, नेचुरली you would be expecting कि what is this match about? How cricket broke silence? Which were the teams which were playing? What was the outcome? How many spectators were there? Where was this match played? And who scored the highest runs? And who got the most wickets? So, in a report, all these questions must be answered. So, you must have got that report writing should include all the important details about reporting an event. So friends, for writing a report, you have to imagine. You have to imagine yourself as a reporter. You have to imagine the event and then you have to write an exclusive report. This is very important for you to know the proper format. So writing the format, the first important thing is to read the question. After reading the question, first you have to give a title. Now what about the title? The title should be suggestive and appealing. Title is very important. After writing the title, you have to write the byline. How you have to write the byline? It is written in brackets like a report by. Name of the person is given in the question paper. So you have to write that name. After this, from the next line, near the margin, you have to write the place. The place is also mentioned in the question paper. Then put the comma. After this, write the date of that day and column. And begin the introductory paragraph. In the introductory paragraph, you must include the details like about the event, where the event took place, on which date it took place, what was the time, and what was the event about. The introductory paragraph should include all these details. After this, you should use the past tense in writing. That is very important because you are talking about the past event. Then you have to write about the report in passive construction. Why do we use passive construction? Because in passive construction, the person we are talking about is not important. The event is important. So the action done is more important than who is doing the action. So we have to use passive construction most of the times in report writing. Then we have to write the details of the event in the next paragraphs, which should include the chief guest, about his speech, describing the events, what all things happened. So all these things you have to imagine. Then the concluding paragraph should be written in which you should talk about the effects of that on the audience. So in this way, a complete report has to be written. Now let us learn this through an example. So this is the question.
Report writing question for CBSE sample paper is like this. Ranikhet, Uttarakhand, on occasion of Basant Panchami celebrations, had organized a 3-day cultural festival. You are Bhupendra or Priyanka wished. Your newspaper has deputed you to cover the inaugural event of this festival. As a newspaper reporter, use the given clues along with your own ideas to write a report about the same in 120 to 150
So dear friends, after reading the question, we find that we have to write a report of about 120 to 150 words on the inaugural ceremony of the cultural festival on the occasion of Basant Panchami in Ranikhet. First, let us give the title. The title goes like this. 3-day cultural festival on Basant Panchami begins at Ranikhet. Now we will write the byline. Then from the next line we will write the place, that is Ranikhet, then date, then we'll put the semicolon. Now let's start writing the report from the same line. The exotic hill station of Uttarakhand, Ranikhet, was in limelight again when a 3-day long cultural festival started on 19th March to 21st March on the occasion of Basant Panchami. The markets and the playground was tastefully decorated with handmade colorful craft items to attract the visitors. Tourists from all over the country thronged and take a glimpse of the exclusive craft material and to participate in folk dance and song competitions. The inauguration ceremony was attracted by around 300 tourists. Mr. Mohan Kumawat, the local panchayat member, inaugurated the festival amid cheers. Speaking on the occasion, he stressed the need to keep the pristine environment in the tourist town. Participation in the food festival was a remarkable experience. The stalls of artifacts attracted large crowds and the craft items were sold out in no time. In the evening, folk dance competition and song competition was organized on the day of inauguration. This was very popular among the visitors. Ranikhet will bear a festive look for 3 days. The streets of the town get choked with people making a beeline to reach the venue. This festival will keep the memories of India's rich heritage alive for many years. It was an invigorating experience for all. So that was all for today. We will meet in the next video with some new topic related to class 12th English.